You can use a sealant in addition to a wax ring to reduce the chance of leaks, but the wax ring must still be the primary seal. When installing a toilet, start by confirming the flange is at the correct height relative to the finished floor and that it is clean, level, and free of old wax. Use a new wax ring sized appropriately for the toilet outlet. For offset flanges or uneven surfaces, consider a thicker ring or a wax ring with a built-in flange for better compression. If you choose to add a sealant for extra protection, apply a continuous thin bead of exterior-grade silicone around the top face of the flange, but avoid filling the toilet outlet or coating the wax ring directly in a way that prevents proper compression. Set the toilet straight down without rocking, and tighten bolts evenly in alternating turns to compress the wax ring uniformly. Over-tightening risks cracking the porcelain or squeezing out the wax. After seating, test for movement by gently rocking the bowl and re-tighten if necessary, then allow silicone to cure per manufacturer instructions before allowing water near the base. Keep spare wax rings and a small tube of silicone on hand for repairs, and remember that silicone is supplemental. The wax ring remains the designed water and gas seal. Common mistakes include relying solely on silicone and not using a proper wax ring, which can leave gaps. Always use the wax ring first and use silicone only as a thin external bead. Another issue is improper flange height or a warped flange, which prevents the wax from compressing evenly. Fix this by using an appropriate ring height, flange extender, or replacing the flange before setting the bowl. A third mistake is over-tightening the closet bolts and cracking the porcelain or extruding the wax. Tighten bolts gradually and stop when the bowl is snug and level, checking for cracks visually before applying any additional sealant. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and browse project ideas related to sealing and toilet installation. We connect contractors looking for work with homeowners and host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common installation issues together.